we're checking out some of the stunning cast iron cookware from Greater Goods. As a professional chef and someone that loves food, great pots and pans are very significant to me. Bottom line, cooking with cast iron is the best experience you can get from any type of cookware. Let's put them to work. The Greater Goods cast iron comes pre-seasoned with organic flaxseed oil. Basically, your cast iron arrives non-stick before you even start working on your own seasoning. The Greater Goods lead designer, Dan, is gonna highlight some of the qualities that make it so special.
My goal with the Greater Goods cast iron was to ensure we created a product to rival the heirloom pan that's been in my family for almost 100 years. Grandma loved her cast iron because of its smooth to the touch, non-stick, easy to season surface. We worked on site at our factory until we found a way to make all the interior surfaces of the Greater Goods cast iron the perfect amount of smooth. We accomplished this through a combination of machine etching, sanding, and careful cleaning. We looked at hundreds of different handles, 3D printed different renderings, until we landed on the perfect fit. A handle that is long and light enough so you can lift and move the pan easily, while also having a thin connection point, so it won't get as hot as other cast iron handles. We added a slot in the handle, eliminating the necessity of dirtying your counter. The Greater Goods griddle works as the perfect complement to our skillets. With its low walls, accessing foods at difficult angles is easier than ever. Perfect for flipping foods like flapjacks. In true classic Dutch ovens, you get more consistent use than those finished in enamel. Repeated use on burners with enamel finished Dutch ovens burns a sort of residue on the inside and outside of the pan that is very difficult to remove. With pure cast iron, that's not a concern. In fact, it only gets better with age. And finally, the drip rings cast into the bottom of our lid allows moisture to be dispersed evenly as your food cooks. It also fits universally on any of our 10-inch cast iron pots and pans.
At Brasserie, we cook dinner for nearly 200 guests a night. All of them expecting perfection, which means I have to know that my pans are reliable. Good cooking starts with great cast iron. So if you want to up your kitchen game with wares that last a lifetime and withstand the wildest circumstances, I highly recommend the cast iron from Greater Goods. I know the upkeep of cast iron can seem a bit intimidating at times. So the following videos will walk you through the best way to clean cast iron and keep great seasoning on it. Go ahead and add the Greater Goods cast iron to your cart now. And thanks so much for tuning in. I really want to eat some toasted bread.
That looks good.
We're just kind of savaging this.